thank you. Tanvad. Tanvad. Not danvad. Tanvad. Thanks for your help. Madad ਲਈ tanvad. Or tanvad madad ਲਈ. This looks good. That looks good. This looks good is ਇਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ or ਇਹ ਚੰਗਾ ਆ. That looks good is ਉਹ ਠੀਕ ਆ or ਉਹ ਚੰਗਾ ਆ. So ਇਹ ਉਹ ਇਹ ਠੀਕ ਉਹ ਠੀਕ. That's all right. ਠੀਕ ਆ. Tika is quite a common phrase that can be used to agree for a number of situations. The closest comparison in English would be, okay, that's good. That's all right. Cool. That kind of thing. So all of those things are replaced by Tika. That's fine, which is also Tika. That's enough. Bas bahut ho gaya. Bas bahut ho gaya. That's it. Bus. So if you want to say that's it to something, you would just say bus. That's not fair. The closest translation for this would be aini theek. Like in a negative manner. If you feel like you're in an unfair position or unfair situation, you would just say to the person, look, aini theek. A nahi theek. That's unfortunate. A badkismati ya. Badkismati. A badkismatiya. This is very important. Important is jaruri. 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 So this is important is A jaruriya. A jaruri a. If something's not important, you can say A jaruri nahiya. So A jaruri a. A jaruri nahiya. Be careful. ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ. ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ. Don't worry. ਚਿੰਤਾ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ. ਚਿੰਤਾ, which is worrying. ਨਾ ਕਰੋ is don't do it. ਚਿੰਤਾ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ. Everyone knows. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ. ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ. I understand. I don't understand. I understand is minnu samjh lag gayi. I don't understand is minnu samjh nahi lagi. Minnu samjh lag gayi. Minnu samjh nahi lagi. Next is okay and not okay. Okay is theek. Not okay is theek nahi or nahi theek.